pages and memes. Let's be completely honest here. Trolling pages are actually very funny. They make us laugh, they change our mood, and the content they create do make us share to put up a smile on another's face. You see, for a person to create a trolling video, it's not actually very easy. It requires talent, imagination, and creativity. And these people are blessed with these gifts. But sometimes this fun thing can turn scary. Want to know how? Take a look at this. Rosalie, a 13-year-old, was a student who committed suicide after 2 years of bullying. Her mother found her body hanging in the closet. Before she took her own life, she left some suicide notes on her bed that says, "Sorry mom and dad, I love you. And sorry mom, you're gonna find me like this." Her father later discovered what she had written in her journal. It is said the kids were bullying her at school about her braces, that they called her ugly that day and made fun about her teeth. Can you imagine? Just by making fun about a person's teeth, led a person to take her own life. Felix Alexander, a 17-year-old, was a high school student who took his own life by hitting a running train because of online bullying. Jessica, a 12-year-old girl, was a student who committed suicide by hanging herself in a closet due to trolling online and bullying at school. There are thousands of more cases that you will find suicides due to trolling. Now you tell me, after watching all of these, do you really think that trolling is only about fun? Well, I'm just getting started. We just spoke about how trolling affects another person. Now let's talk about how does it affect to the troller himself. Social media is such a platform where it will last even after you die. Consider you made a video trolling a person, hurting one's feelings. What if you die after uploading it? The video will stay there forever. And who knows how many people have already downloaded it. Every person you hurt in this life, I promise you, surely it will haunt you back after your death. Again, I'm not telling that trolling is completely bad. It is still a talent in which a person can benefit others as well. Just take the example of Dinchak Pooja. Trolling led her to become a verified celebrity itself. But not everyone is mentally that strong. So the best thing what a troll page can do is first send and ask permission from the person himself. If he allows to upload it, then there is no issue. Because God protect us. Let it not be the reason for someone to take his own life. So let's be a bit more responsible before it's too late. So that's all what I had to say. If you found this video an eye-opener, then do give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. That's it for today. Until next time.